Good morning, my people. Welcome to Global Solution for All Mankind. I want to thank God for this morning and also this day. It's a new week, it's a new day. And all the glory goes back to Him. We appreciate all of the subscribers and all the people that are watching my videos. All of the videos that you are watching and putting comments. I really appreciate and I thank God for you. Now, the video today, I want to give some directions on how to deal with some cases that are challenging people in life. You know, the Bible says in the book of Mark 11 and verse number 24, it says, whatsoever thing you desire, when you pray, believe that you receive, and that thing will be yours. And that is a prayer of faith. God hears prayers, and there is a part that you have to play, and there is a God's part that God has to play. Now, if you pray and you don't do your part, it will not work effective. So I want to take this opportunity to talk to all of you that are watching my videos. You are doing practices of different type of videos that I'm putting here. Nature has power that is invented by God. Nature has power that God has put in them. Practicing the nature to get the spirituality on how the nature can help you on the spiritual dimension is not a fetish. It's not something that is also illegal against God. Now you be bold and guys and be strong, because we see such things in the scriptures where men of the olden days, they used to practice that. And we see also in the New Testament when the nature is being used to fulfill divine purpose in the life of a man. Now tonight I'm going to talk again on another way on how to change the new month of October to become a month of celebration, a month of blessing, a month that is going to bring prosperity and door opening in your life. I've talked about the kingly spiritual soap, which is some people have used it and they have done marvelous in their life. Kingly spiritual super soap. Some people have purchased that product and it has helped them a lot. However, some people have not got the answer, of which some get solution when they order the soap, some is a product. But when these things are not bringing what you desire, I want to encourage you, order for spiritual service. You need more spiritual work to be done on your case before you can deploy the services. When the spiritual work is done on your case, then you can now operate and deploy or apply spiritual product. It may work for you. You don't have to die in that problem or die in that trouble for all this. There are some people here, when I encourage them to do or apply a product, you are paid for the service. And then when I tell you you need this product now to operate with it, it's going to bring you result, they refuse. And you came to me so that I can direct you and look into your case and tell you what can help you. And you claim that you have been listening to me for a long time, and now you decide to come aligned to follow me so that I can be able to help you. And when I give you my guidance again, you don't want to follow. And at the same time, you are writing emails and videos, send messages on WhatsApp, claiming Dr. Tayo is able to help me. Dr. Tayo is able to help me. When Dr. Tayo directs you what to do, you don't do again. You say you don't believe in that. If you don't believe in that, why come alive? Why are you following me? I said this is a global solution for all mankind. It's not for specific religion or certain faith. No. This is a wide word for humanity. Anybody can practice it. Anyone that thinks they can practice it and they want it, they practice it and it will change their life. So this month of October, as we step on this month, I want you to do this, practice this video tonight. Number one, get the bay leaves. Get the bay leaves and burn bay leaves. Burn bay leaves, write your name on a bay leaf. And then pray over it and burn it. Write the figure of the money you want and write your name, or the thing that you want, whether it is a house, you want to build a house. If you write a house, building a house, that means that you are looking ways on how God can help you to build a house. So you write a house. If you want to buy a car, you write a car. Whatever you want, you write on that bay leaf. Okay? Write and on a bay leaf and burn bay leaf tonight as you start a new month. When you go to burn bay leaf, before you do that, you can do a spiritual bath. Spiritual bath. Get a coconut fruit. Drain the water and pray over the water. Pray the water. Pray when it is still in the coconut. Use Psalms 23. Pray, read it over the whole chapter. It's only 6 verses. And then pray over the coconut for prosperity, for changes, for progress in this new month. And then drain the water and put in the water bath. If you cannot bath the water or mix the water to bath, what you can do, you can wash your face with the coconut water while you have prayed over it. And after that, you can now do this burn bay leaf and send the burned bay leaf and send the bay leaf, the ashes into, blow it in the air while you meditate on what you want and you believe God for that. The second practice I want you to do on this, use honey to put on your mouth. Put your mouth, you can boil 1 glass of clean water. Boil 1 glass of clean water and mix it with a 3 spoons of honey and pray over it and drink in the morning. Pray over it your wishes for the new month. Pray over it your wishes for the new month. Are you listening to me? Then when you finish, drink that. In the midday or at the end of the day, prepare the same again and drink. You can do that. This is a program, you do this for 3 days. Do it today and the second first night of the new month. Do it again, and in the morning, boil the glass again and mix and drink while you meditate on what you want and say what you want in prayer before God. The third day, also do that on this new month. Let the 3 days of this new month be your separated days to do a special service. Are you listening? Now, this one is going to change your month. It's going to bring blessing of the October. It's going to be on your way. Doors will open up, good doors will open up for you in this month of October. Things will begin to work for you in the month of October. You will not be disgraced. You will not be disfavored. Favor will come and follow you. Are you listening? So this one is going to, are we together? This one is going to be a blessing of the new month. Okay? So do this tonight. The second fast of the month, do it again. Third, as you enter, you are doing the fast. Then the second day, you do it again. And the third day, you do it again. It's going to be a very powerful blessing on your life. God bless you. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel. Practice this video. You will see a change in your life. You will see a change on your program. God bless you. I love you all. Thank you.